Hello and welcome to another video of our channel where we will be discussing the best ways to make money online in 2022. Today we will be sharing the best URL shorteners to earn money online in 2022. URL shortener is one of the best ways to make money online, and the best part is that you don't need any website or special skills to use it. There are many well-paid URL shortener companies that provide users with excellent earning opportunities. If you're looking for the best URL shorteners to make money, don't worry. In this new video, you'll get information about some of the best and most reliable sites on which you can make decent money. There are all kinds of people who get a lot of traffic on their sites, but they face the challenge of making money from their link shorteners. Here is the list 5 leading URL shorteners where you can earn money on short links. All these platforms are reliable and legit. Therefore, you can choose any of them without any doubt. ID.it has become very popular in many countries. It can also be said that it is well liked by users to earn money on short links. They pay you for various ad formats such as quick URL, banners, pop-ups, and interstitials. For every 1,000 views, they pay $5.50 and $8 CPM with banner advertisements. The major drawback is that they make payments only through PayPal, and the threshold amount is $15. Also, they do not have any referral program, so you will have to cut down on your earnings here. AdPay is a new URL shortener website in the market. They pay around $13 for every 1,000 views for traffic from Germany. This website is one of the highest payout providers for UAE and Hong Kong traffic, around $7 for 1,000 views. Irrespective of the fact that they are new to the market, you can try if you can get traffic from the UK, US, and Switzerland. The best part is that they pay the same amount for both mobile and desktop users, so you can work at your convenience. Shrink.p is liked and preferred by many people because they accept all kinds of traffic such as PTC, torrent, faucet, etc. All you need to do is sign up, shorten URL, and earn money. Shrink.p pays $10 for 1,000 views, but it varies from traffic to traffic, as it is $8 for traffic from Gibraltar and Iceland, whereas $7 for San Marino traffic. The best part is that they pay the same amount for both mobile and desktop users, so you can work at your convenience. UEI.io pays $7 per 1,000 views for every Tier 2 and 3 nation. It provides publishers and online users a chance to make money by shortening URL links. You can use its advanced tools to sort out URL. This helps maximize their earnings and keep an eye on the stats of your shortened links. For making money with them, simply create your account. After that, make a connection and post it. The payment options offered by UEI.io are PayPal, Bitcoin, Payza, Vodafone Cash. The minimum payout is $1, and it pays on daily basis. The Cut One is the best URL shortener to earn money that has grown a lot within just a couple of years. It provides an accessible platform for publishers and internet users to shorten the links and post them. They provide users with advanced tools to help publishers shrink the links effortlessly. For every 1,000 visits, they pay $10, and the best part is that they always make payments on time. Their minimum threshold is just $1. You can also make money through their referral program, 20% for a lifetime commission. With their analytical tools, you can also keep an eye on your shortened links. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel. We will be releasing the second part of the other 5 best URL shorteners to earn money online within 2 days from now. Thank you for viewing, and until the next video, goodbye.